CCP M2, featuring the signature Walther ergonomics and a non-slip cross-directional grip texture to provide a comfortable yet positive grip. The CCP M2 measures just over an inch in width, allowing it to easily be concealed, no matter the situation. The soft coil technology uses expended gases from the round fired to reduce recoil. This technology allows the slide to be manipulated easier than other 9mm handguns. The Walther CCP M2 features 3-dot sights, a Picatinny rail, reversible button-style magazine release, ergonomic thumb safety, and a 5.5-pound trigger pull. Cleaning your CCP M2 is easier than ever with the new innovative toolless takedown design, combined with a fixed stainless steel barrel. This allows for easy disassembly and reassembly, simplifying the cleaning process. Everyday carry refined with the new Walther CCP M2.
Losing is never an option. Walther doesn't believe in a fair fight. The PPQ subcompact provides advantages of a full-size pistol and a versatile carry platform. The PPQ subcompact features the best trigger in a self-defense pistol, allowing for more rounds accurately placed on target. High-capacity magazine options present added benefits in a premium subcompact package. The Walther PPQ subcompact.
Seasons of life may change, but you can always count on the Walther Grip and Trigger.